Hey guys, it's Tammy. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick brow tutorial for you because I've got tons of questions on how I've been doing them. I'm still using the same products, but I'm just obviously doing the shape a bit different, and then I of course do my concealer trick that I'll show you. So let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So I use Benefit Ka-Brow, which is like a brow pomade. I use the shade number 5 and I'm nearly out of this. This is actually my second like tub of this because I went through a whole one, and now this one is really like small at the bottom. This is my favorite pomade because I find that it doesn't go greasy when my oils start coming through on my face. It dries down, it's waterproof, smudge proof, all of that stuff. It doesn't transfer when I like hug someone or anything. I really want to take this off. Also, just for full transparency, this month I signed with Benefit as one of their brow heroes, which is so exciting because I've been using this for like years now. And yeah, it was just really exciting to hear that Benefit want to work with me. So for the next 6 months, I am one of their brow heroes, which is really exciting. So what I do is coat my brush. This is the Morphe E29 brush. It's just like an angled brush and a spoolie. I take some of the Ka-Brow on my hand and kind of use it as a palette, get a nice even coat of my brush. I start at the bottom of my brow and outline. I'm usually really close to the mirror when I do this, so this might not come out how it usually does, but we'll see. So I start at the bottom, draw a line, and I carry it outwards. I don't go down anymore, I go kind of like straight, and then I start at the middle of the tail and connect it like that, and then fill out the tail as lightly as possible so it kind of looks natural, I suppose. But the trick with pomade type of products is to not put too much because it can get thick real quick. Oh, that rhymed. I'm so cheesy. But anyway, then when I get to the front of my brows, I kind of brush this part up, and then I flip my brush vertical and take the product up vertically to kind of make brow hair strokes at the beginning. Most of this will get cleaned up with concealer, so it's literally just about laying down the shape and the product first. So now I'm going to move on to the other eye. I'm going to do one brow with you so you can see side by side the difference. But yeah, that is more or less it for the brow product. As you can see, super quick, super easy, but definitely really effective. If you have more brow hairs than me, you'll need the smallest amount of this product. So now going in with my concealer. Before I used to use the Fenty concealer, but now I ran out, so I'm going in with this Revolution Fast Base concealer in the shade C12, but I tend to mix it with a little bit of the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Caramel, just because this I don't use it underneath my eyes and I need to use it up because I don't like to waste product, so I just use it around my brows. This one dries down matte and this one doesn't, and this one I prefer the color of, but I prefer the fact that this dries down matte. Just use whatever concealer you have. I just like these two. So I take the Revolution one and lay that down first. Then I take some of the NARS concealer onto my concealer brush, so that way it kind of mixes together when I lay it down. So I take some of that Revolution concealer, spread it. I don't go right up next to the brow just yet. Get a nice kind of even coating of it on the brush, and then I start at the tail. I'm gonna stop talking now because I need to concentrate. And then I take some of that product on top as well. So yeah, once I've cleaned up the top and the bottom, I take my same concealer brush, no extra product, just whatever's on there, and run it through my brows to kind of create the illusion of gaps. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That's how I do my brows on a daily basis. So I get from this practically nothing to this kind of bushy full looking brow, I suppose. I mean, it's not a natural brow because I don't really have natural hairs, but I do what I can. So yeah, I'm gonna go complete the rest of my face and my other brow, and I'll come back to you with the final look. Okay guys, and I'm back. So here we have the final look, and this is what my brows look like once my face is complete. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you were someone that was asking how I do my brows, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Take care. Bye.